Hi guys, this is Epson WorkForce Pro WF-M4119DW. This printer is with Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi direct and Ethernet. Highly quality A4 printer, double-sided print, fast business quality printing, 22 print per minute in black, cost-effective ink, print up to 2,200 pages without changing ink cartridges, wireless solution, Ethernet, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct, Epson free mobile printing app, freedom to print from almost anywhere. This printer deserves your attention. Professional A4 printing, flexible wireless solution, print from anywhere in the home or office with Wi-Fi connectivity. Use Wi-Fi direct to print from compatible wireless device without Wi-Fi network. Epson free mobile printing app solution provide further versatility, and email print allow you to send item to print from almost anywhere in the world. Enhance your productivity. This efficient, reliable, fast model offer A4 double-sided printing, print speed to 2 print per minute. So this is what we have here. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice about this product. Nice. This is the packaging here. So you have this disc that contains this driver and the software and the information pack. And one ink cartridge. Ink for setup. Power cable, 3-pin power cable. Nice. To carry this printer, you need to put your hand this corner and this side to be able to lift it up. I like the color. So this is the front panel here. So you have the serial number, the password, and the ink cartridges holder just by the corner here. And this is the front panel. You switch this on and off from this button. Then this button is for you to go to home. This is with LCD screen, paper tray, and you can adjust this. So the papers, you have A4 liter 8x10, number 10 paper, A5 5x7, C6, and 4x6 photo paper. So with this, just need to hold this holder, move it for you to adjust it accordingly. Then hold this one to the side and extend it. Likewise, you need to hold this for you to hold this lever, then for you to extend it and bring it close. So you can extend it to LGL. So if you have any paper jam, hold this together and check for any paper jam and debris, and gently remove it and put the cover back. Just need to hold it together and put the cover back. This is maintenance box. Is in the power cable, USB and LANs. USB cable is not included in the packaging, so if you want to connect this with USB cable, then you need to buy the USB cable for you to be able to connect this printer. But you have option for you to connect this printer via Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and also Ethernet and USB cable. So plug this on to the power. Switch the printer on. Use up and down button to select the language of your country. So English, then you select OK. Then you select, the next is daylight saving light. Scroll down and select OK. Date format. Select the date, year. So use the side button or up button to select the number. If you make any mistake, then you select cancel to clear the number. So 2024. Select OK. Then you select the month 05. Then you go to the date. Once you select the date, then you select OK to confirm. The next is month. Then once you've done that, scroll to the side and select OK. Now you need to select time format, 12 hours and 24 hours. Select 24 hours. Then you put the time. Scroll to the side and select the number. And once you've done that, then you scroll down and select OK. Select OK. Now, customer research. You can participate for the research or reject or check later. So I'm going to reject this. Now the next is initialization start. Install the ink cartridges for setup that came with the printer. So you open up the printer. Ink coder move and position itself where it's supposed to be. So this printer, from what I can see here, is only black, BK. Then the next thing you need to do is open up the ink. Remove the air vent. So this printer is only one ink cartridge is using. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to go in. So take the ink, go in, make sure you push it to the left side. Push the ink to your left. You will see BK. Then position it, push it down. So this is how to install the ink. You need to close it and you wait. Initialization, please wait. So now it's initializing. It will take about 5 minutes. So this printer is using standard ink WF-M4119DW. series. Ink cartridge is black. Initialization is complete. You select dismiss, OK. Install the ink, then you select proceed to load paper, select OK. Then you select the size of the paper, A4 paper. Open up the paper gasket. Now, to load A4 paper, just need to put the paper you want to load here. This is A4. So you keep an eye, this is A4 paper. So you move this to specific one. If you are loading photo paper, this is 3.5 by 5 inch paper. If you want to load 4 by 6, then you bring it this to the 4 by 6. If you want to load 5 by 7, then you bring this to 5 by 7 and adjust it accordingly. This is A5. So A4 is, this is A4 paper. You also have option for you to extend this to LGL paper. So now this is A4 paper. So stick the paper you want to load. This is how to load A4 paper. Then you go in, close it. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select the paper size, use up and down. If you load any other paper, then use up and down to select. So A4 paper, you select OK, and the paper type is plain paper. Okay, once you're done that, then select done. Then it will give you option for you to see the screen, see the maintenance and settings and Wi-Fi network. So once you load the paper and correctly install the ink, you'll be able to see the screen for the printer. Thank you.